Is there any treatment for whooping cough?
Unfortunately, there's no clear-cut definitive treatment for whooping cough once the coughing begins. We give the macrolide group of antibiotics to these patients as soon as we identify the patient has whooping cough, but the ability of these antibiotics to limit the infection in the patient is very small. What these antibiotics do is they prevent that patient from spreading whooping cough to other members of the family, other close contacts, other children in the class. So giving these antibiotics is very important from a community safety point of view, but doesn't really shorten the period where the coughing occurs. There are some treatments that have been tried to help shorten the period of coughing, and these treatments can work in some individuals, and certainly you should discuss those specific treatments to lessen the severity of the cough with your physician.